Title: The Brave Little Squirrel. The sun is shining and Sammy the squirrel is playing near his tree. Sammy: what a beautiful day. I love running and jumping in the forest. Lily the rabbit hops over. Lily: hello, Sammy. Did you hear Mr. Owl said a big storm is coming tonight? Sammy: a storm? I'm not afraid. I can stay in my tree and watch the raindrops. Lily: be careful, Sammy. The wind might be very strong. That night the wind howls and the trees shake. Sammy's tree sways back and forth. Sammy: oh no! My tree is moving too much. What should I do? He hears a deep voice from above. Mr. Owl, Sammy, the storm is too strong. You must find a safer place. Sammy: but my home is here. Mr. Owl, a brave squirrel knows when to be strong and when to be smart. Go to the big oak tree. It is safer. Sammy runs through the strong wind and reaches the big oak tree, where Lily is waiting. Lily: Sammy, you made it. Sammy: yes, Mr. Owl was right. My tree is too small for such a big storm. They watch as the storm passes. The next morning the sun shines again. Sammy sees his old tree has fallen. Sammy: oh no, my home. Mr. Owl: do not worry, Sammy. You can build a new one, stronger and safer. Lily: and we will help you. Sammy: thank you, friends. Together they gather twigs and leaves, building a new, stronger home. The end.